In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Zillow account. This process is straightforward and takes just a few clicks to get you started on exploring the wide range of real estate listings available on Zillow. Whether you're in the market for a new home or simply browsing, signing in gives you access to tailored recommendations and stored searches. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you are comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head straight to the address bar at the top of the window and type in Zillow.com. With a quick press of the Enter key, you'll find yourself on Zillow's homepage, ready to begin the sign-in process. As you look at the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see the Sign In button. The design of websites might vary slightly with updates, but typically, the button is prominently displayed to catch your eye with ease. Go ahead and click on Sign In. Clicking this button will lead you to the dedicated Sign In page. This is where you'll need to enter your login credentials. Begin by typing in the email address associated with your Zillow account. It's important to ensure that there are no typing errors in your email address, as mistakes here can result in access issues. Once your email address is correctly placed in the field, move on to the next step. Next, you'll enter your password. Again, accuracy is crucial here. If you happen to forget your password or experience any difficulties, don't worry. There's usually a Forgot Password option available that can guide you through the process of resetting your password via email. However, assuming you have your password handy, enter it in the designated field. Once your email address and password have been entered correctly, you're ready to proceed. Look towards the bottom of the page, where you'll find another Sign In or Login button. This button is your final step to accessing your account, so go ahead and click it. After clicking the button, you should find yourself signed into your Zillow account seamlessly. Congratulations! By logging in, you now have access to your tailored Zillow features, like saved homes and custom searches, making your real estate exploration and management more efficient and enjoyable. If you encounter any issues during this process, it's always a good idea to double-check your internet connection or revisit your login credentials for any potential errors. And that's it. Signing into your Zillow account is as simple as that. You're now ready to explore and make the most out of Zillow's tools to find your next dream home or investment opportunity. Thanks for following along, and happy browsing.